ठीक है।
Don't make so much crowd, है ना? तो विवाह जा रहा है। क्या आप हमेशा के लिए इंडिया रुक सकती हैं?
हाँ हमेशा के लिए जब सफर करने लगे तो एक ही जगह में रहना सर।
Nice Hindi. Thank you.
It's not thank you.
No, it will do.
You are very kind, so I can do something for you. So, what do you want to know? My name I told you.
Whatever you want.
अब बार गए थे ना शायद.
Yeah.
So my name is which language?
Yeah, English will be good.
Hi. We worked in.
We want to hear English.
And French I don't know, because Alexi just doesn't come because of the mixture of language. After a few more days it will be better, but it will be settled. But no. So my name is Marie-Claude Mayas. I'm French, as you may guess, because she told you.
Yes.
And what else? So over there in my country, in fact, I am a researcher. I'm a scholar in anthropology, and I teach in university. But I teach in French, so I'm scared of him because he will have to correct my English. And he say, "Oh, these French people, why? I don't even know English well." Scared. Because in our country we just do not speak English at all.
Yeah.
We do not use. We know we learn it at school, and most people they know, but we don't use it. I mean, we can do all our studies in French. Every European country we do. I mean, the higher studies in different languages. And well, that is thanks to you, Indian educated people, that English has become the most important language in the world. It's not due to small country like England or even with their small island, not even thanks to US, but it's because of all the Indian people and the diaspora, so who have been educated in English and who thinks, as I was told the first time I came here in the 70s, and I was a student in Delhi University, and I heard, "Oh, how is it you don't speak English? You haven't been to school?" For me that was my first lesson about English. It wasn't my first lesson. I knew English, I learned English, but I was not that fluent. And so that because everybody here is educated as in English medium school and think that English is just the normal way of talking among educated people, that English has become the first language in the world. The problem is that in India you know English, but you also know Hindi and Punjabi and Tamil and Marathi and Rajasthani and this and that. So, but English people, they know only one language and they don't want to speak any other language. So one must force them. So you must forget your English sometime.
That's why they don't remember English when I ask the sentence, they forget. And I say sorry. And I catch their mistakes. They follow you. They are already following you. They forget the tenses, they forget the helping verbs, so on and on. And sometimes I have to scold them, punish them to be forgetful.
It's a duty of a teacher. That's why I come here to be scolded.
So that is in my Indian adventures where I came to not go back.
Jabalpur. After 2 or 3 minutes you will be speaking Jabalpur. Jabal means, Jabal means stone.
So, the town of stone.
The town of stones. And there was Jabali, Rishi.
Jabali
Rishi Jabali. Rishi, that is sage.
Yeah.
monk,
Sant.
so saint. So because of him, it was called, earlier it was called Jabalipuram. Later on it became Jabalpur. And when the Britishers came here, they could not pronounce properly, that's why they used to say Jabalpur. Jabalpur. They used to say Jabalpur. And it is still written near a station.
In Sanskrit, it is still Jabali.
Jabalipuram.
Yeah, in Sanskrit.
And according to अरे वो पत्थर वगैरह का जो करते हैं, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट कहलाता है, पत्थरों का रिसर्च करते हैं या स्टडी करते हैं, पत्थरों से संबंधित विच सब्जेक्ट?
Chronology? I'm not sure. Yeah, I am also.
The subject which is related to stones, study of stone, it is called
Methodology. No. Methodology is the old sub.
Phonetic. Either geology.
हाँ geology.
Or meteorology if it's really in stone.
Geologist is
Vanaspati.
no.
नहीं.
Geology.
Zoology and geology.
Geology.
Yes.
Geology is related to the geography, na?
Yeah, geography.
But inner, no, they
हाँ.
earth and stuff.
Yes, absolutely. So I want to inform you, from all over the India, the students of geology come to Jabalpur especially to study, because Jabalpur is only one place where all kinds of stones, no, chattane,
Rocks.
rocks, all kinds of rocks are found in Jabalpur only. How many kinds of rocks are there? In English I don't know. Paratdar Chettan,
Yeah.
पथरीली चट्टान, परतदार, ये सारी चट्टानें केवल जबलपुर में पाई जाती हैं। इसलिए जियोलॉजी वाले सारे स्टूडेंट ग्रुप्स के साथ जबलपुर आते हैं, they will study here. And if you go to Bhedaghat, Kuthar, or we will go.
Okay, sir.
So you will find over there the marble rock. और अपन ऐसे समय में चलेंगे जब रात का भी लुत्फ उठाएं।
In the evening after 3 o'clock.
Because
Second half.
ये अभी पूर्णिमा चल रही है, अमावस्या।
Amarasya is coming.
Grahan.
Grahan launch on that day. Grahan is there. Solar eclipse. Solar eclipse will be coming on that day.
I showed her Shankarji.
हाँ,
I told that if you are getting bored, you can go there.
you can directly
First
talk
I
to
should-
him from here.
Yeah.
He's sitting, smiling, watching you, listening to you. So the marble looks very nice in the when the moon is
Moonlight.
full.
Sharad Purnima, especially people with
It is said that the nectar is means that Sharad Purnima
from the moon.
falls from the.
We put kheer, rabdi, and that comes on that pot.
हाँ, ऊपर रख देते हैं छत
Yeah.
ताकि उसमें अमृत वर्षा हो और हम लोग अमर हो।
Once I put and a dog came. I told him, it came and ate all the kheer.
आपने खीर खाई है?
Tomorrow she will eat. अच्छा हुआ आपने याद दिला दिया. She likes very much dishes of our MP. Because dishes of Delhi some different, na? Especially of Jainas. They are Marwadi and we are Bundelkhandi. So we have different taste. She likes very much.
And
they
what about
people use ghee in a great amount. And they avoid even in chapati. She doesn't take. Rukhi roti. Oily is not, spicy is not. So we always
health conscious.